How you doing, folks? This is Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out a super cool 68 Chevrolet Camaro done up as a Z28. Cool car done in Daytona Yellow, black stripes, got the Z hood. It's all the original grille and everything, good condition. Front bumper's all been redone. Car's real straight, flat down the sides, paint's really nice on the car. Just a super nice car. Got the rear deck spoiler. The rear bumper's all been replaced, all the taillight bezels. See how nice and straight it is down the sides. It's got a 496 aluminum headed motor in it. It's got the Super T10 4-speed. It's got a Ford 9-inch rear, all aftermarket axles. It's got front disc brakes. Just a super cool car. Makes over 500 horse. All the interior looks like it's been replaced. Dash is all real good condition. Nice tight headliner. Got front and rear seat belts. The jams all look real good in it. I believe it's all original panel car. I didn't really notice anything that had been changed. Just a real good, solid car. It's got a full 3-inch exhaust all the way out the back in the stock location. Just a super cool car. A lot of power. Got AM FM cassette, the old Sony. It's got an amp and stuff in it. All sounds real good. Again, it's got the front disc brakes. It's got a 496 stroker motor. Super cool car. Just kind of bear with us, the sun keeps coming and going today. It's only about 28 degrees out right now. But first day we had that's had any sun. Soft car there. Thing just a blast to drive. You can check out our complete inventory at rosscustommi.com or visit us at 8180 South State Road, Goodrich, Michigan. Got a bit of traffic here today. It's good looking Camaro. Have a great day, folks.